What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing some new fog lights for the C6 Corvette. It's going to be a super quick, easy install. It has very yellow bulbs which really don't help much at night at all. So let's do it. In order to get to the fog lights, they plug right into the back side of these housings here. So all you have to do is remove these 5 7mm bolts and you can sneak this fender liner, bend it back just a hair, get your hand in there and just unclip everything and swap it out. Now you can see inside there is where the plug is, and you just have to reach up in there and unplug it, pull it right out. Uh-oh. And there's the bulb. After you unplug it, just click it off to the left like that, counterclockwise, and then undo these 2 clips. We have the new bulb. Just be careful not to touch this glass or the element here because the oils in your fingers could ruin the bulb earlier. You just pop that right in there, twist it clockwise, grab your harness, pop that in place, bam, just like that. Now I just turned them on so we could double check that everything works before buttoning it all up. And you can see much more yellow light, which helps for any kind of rain conditions or snow, but this isn't going to see snow obviously. And just helps with the general aesthetic of the car in my opinion. Now we just turn the wheel and go to the other side. And that's it. It took a grand total of 10 minutes to do this whole job, really. Super straightforward, just a handful of 7mm and you can sneak your hand in there and undo the clips. Now the Corvette has yellow fog lights on both sides, which goes beautiful with the color of this thing, and I'll be able to see a little bit better at night. So if you liked what you saw, you have any recommendations of what you want to see, let us know, drop some comments, and like and subscribe. See ya.